Hi guys, tignan nyo itong mga tomato na to. This is a different kind of tomatoes. Tignan nyo naman yung shape niya. Para siyang pumpkin guys. They look like a pumpkin. These tomatoes look like a pumpkin shape. Look. They have a yellow color, brown. Look at this. What did they call? They call it heirloom tomato. Ayan siya oh guys oh. Yung shape niya, pangit ng shape niya no. Shape like a pumpkin. Look. Yellow, look. This one, like a pumpkin. No? Parang siyang pumpkin, no? Tignan mo yung shape. Yellow. And the brown one. They're like pumpkin, guys. Pumpkin tomato. Heirloom.